Hey everyone! Welcome back to Sir Manuel. In today's video we've got some breaking news for all you iPhone users out there. If you've updated to the latest iOS 18, you might have noticed something a little frustrating. Yeah, we're talking about those battery issues. Let's dive in and see what's happening with this update and what you can do about it. So, as many of you know, iOS 18.1 just dropped, and while it brought some cool features, there's a huge downside that's been affecting a lot of users: fast battery drain. Let me know in the comments if your iPhone's battery has taken a nosedive after updating. I've been seeing complaints all over social media, and some people are reporting that their battery life has almost halved since updating. But why is this happening? Background activity. Apple has packed in a bunch of new background processes with iOS 18, such as better AI integration for apps, which can be more demanding on your iPhone's battery. Unfortunately, these processes often run without us even noticing. New features draining power. Some new features like the updated widgets and always-on display tweaks are great, but they come with a cost. These features are drawing more power than ever before. Let's not forget, every new update brings along a few bugs. While iOS 18 has improved performance in certain areas, it's also introduced glitches that could be affecting your battery life. Apple will likely address these in future updates, but for now, we're stuck with it. So what can you do to minimize this issue? First, disable background app. Refresh, go to Settings, then General, then Background App Refresh, and turn it off for apps you don't need constantly running. Next, check your battery usage. Head over to Settings, then Battery to see which apps are consuming the most power. Also, lower brightness and disable features. If you don't need always-on display or other intensive features, consider turning them off temporarily. And finally, wait for Apple's fix. The truth is, we're probably a few weeks away from Apple pushing a patch to fix these bugs. Hang tight. Before we continue, I want to remind you all to check out my latest playlist for some great strategies to boost your content creation game. You can find the link in the description below. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any updates. I've got more tech news and iPhone tips coming your way. So to all my fellow iPhone users, stay patient. Apple will likely fix these battery issues soon, but in the meantime, try out some of the tips I mentioned and let me know how they work for you. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who's also experiencing these issues, and I'll catch you in the next one.